Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Vibe blender to make yourself some homemade pistachio butter. I'm also going to showcase our new Luvele vacuum canisters, these round glass jars. This one's the 400 ml capacity, which is going to be perfect for this pistachio butter. The first step is to lightly roast off some shelled pistachios. This will help to get a really nice intense flavor. I've just got 3 cups of shelled pistachios that I'm going to put on a lined tray and get it into the oven at 160 degrees. It'll take around 7 to 10 minutes. Once the pistachios are lightly and evenly roasted, take them out and let them cool down slightly. While they're still warm, pour them into the Vibe blender jug. Place the lid on, remove the cap, and insert the tamper into the lid. Blend on nut mode for around 1 minute using the tamper to push the nuts down into the blades. Pause and open up the lid. At this stage, the pistachios will be a little grainy. Use a spatula to scrape down the sides and underneath the blades. Return the lid and continue blending for another minute while tamping downwards. You may need to stop and scrape down the jug once again. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and an optional 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar, and then continue blending for another 1 to 2 minutes or until the nuts are creamy and glossy. Transfer the pistachio butter to a clean, airtight glass jar. Wait for the paste to cool down slightly before you seal it and store it away. It'll keep in the pantry for around a week or in the fridge for up to a month. This is my favorite nut butter to make, pistachio. It's a bit luxurious. It's perfect for spreading on toast and just eating by the spoonful, but my favorite way to use it is in baking and desserts, especially pistachio ice cream. So I hope that you like this recipe. We have a bunch of other nut and seed butters for you to look at on the blog, so check those out if you're interested and let us know how you go if you try it for yourself at home in the comments section below. If you haven't already and you don't want to miss out on any recipes to come, then hit subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us and we'll be back soon with another healthy recipe.